You know, I get it. Times are tough. And with gas at what it is, energy prices soaring. Hell, my energy bill went up by 110%. But there are a lot of people crying about being broke, and I had someone tell me the other day, I said, gee, something costs $400. Somebody on one of my live feeds said, $400 to you, Black Dragon, is nothing. And I thought about that. You know, you don't have to look at another man's pockets and count another man's pockets to understand that you need to do what you need to do. When I was stationed at submarine base, Groton, Connecticut, back in the early 80s, I was going to a school. And the way the school worked was, I was on night, on the night school part, because they had so many students. We had shifts, so you didn't have to go in until like 7 o'clock at night, and you worked till about 9:30, and then you went home. And this was like over a year of this. So most of the guys would be drinking all day, or when they were off and partying or whatever. And they were always broke, because back then you just didn't make a lot of money on your military paycheck. It was abject poverty. But I found a job on my off time, a full-time job. I was driving a forklift down in Norwich, Connecticut. So I'd go to Groton and work at night, do my little partying or whatever, and then in the daytime I'd drive a forklift and I'd drive the 18-wheelers around the yard. And I started at like $10 an hour, which was incredible money for the early 80s. But by the time I had been there a little while, I had made foreman manager, and I was making $15 an hour in the 80s. 3 times my military paycheck. Killing it. Pocket full of money. And I was also reclaiming aluminum. Just all kinds of little things to make money. See, you can make a lot of money. It's out there. You just got to think outside the box. Capiche?